There are two ways to access the quality control area. First, you can select QC jobs from the sidebar. This is indicated by a tick symbol when the sidebar is collapsed. The second option is to select the horseshoe pie chart, which indicates how many locations you have in QC. Both options will take you to the same area, which is a report showing all the locations that are ready for QC. From here, you can filter the data to find the exact location that you wish to prioritise for quality control. To access the location, simply click on the property name. This will take you through to the quality control area and display the details of the property selected. Here, you'll be able to see all the property information regarding the assessment for this location, including the planned target dates and the QC release dates. The target date will indicate whether you are running on time or over schedule. In the same area, you will get an overview of the risks raised for that assessment. You can click on the tabs for root cause, hazard categories, and management of risk to get an overview of what has been raised by the assessor. Management of risk. By selecting this, you can review all of the management questions and information on policies and procedures collected during the assessment. This is broken into the same sections as it is on the Quidvis Risk app. If you wish to make amendments, select Edit and the form will change to allow you to correct spellings, input more text, or change dates. When you have finished reviewing a section, you can hit Checked. This will place a tick next to the section, allowing you to quickly see which areas have been reviewed or not. Yes and no answers cannot be changed on the portal. This is done to ensure it is the assessor who controls the assessment. Once the information is changed on the device, the result will replicate onto the portal. The update only takes seconds. Identified hazards. These are risks that are identified while walking around a building. You can filter the results, and if you wish to make a change, identify the risk and select Edit. You will then be able to review the observation, recommendation, and make additions or changes where required. You can also adjust the risk rating, risk profile, and root cause if required. You can delete pictures taken, but cannot add additional pictures. Pictures are used to provide evidence of risks at the time of the assessment and are time and date stamped. Property photos. You can delete photos or add new photos in this area should you wish. In each section, you can select the photograph you wish to display in the PDF. This photograph is indicated by the star. Executive Summary area. Here you can edit text already entered or add new text to areas not completed on a device. You can add up to 2 A4 pages worth of text for each section in this area. Some assessors may find it easier to complete this on a computer rather than a device. Building-specific attachments, such as fire plans, occupancy calculations, can be added to the PDF via the Building Attachment area. The Fire Risk Assessment PDF can be reviewed, and any amendments made during the assessment will automatically be reflected in the PDF. If you make changes on the portal, close the PDF and then reopen it for the changes to appear. If the property being reviewed is part of a site, you can easily view the other properties in the site by selecting Site Properties. If the assessor has already reviewed the assessment and is happy with the work they have completed, they will click Marked as QC Checked. You'll see the date recorded next to the QC Checked, confirming the date reviewed. The assessment log will provide a complete report of all the key stages the assessment has been through, including who was involved and the dates and times. Publish to client. When you've finished reviewing the assessment and are happy to release it to the client or property owner, select Publish to Client. You won't be able to do this if you do not have the permission levels required. Once the assessment has been released to the client or property owner, the assessment will be marked as published. You will be able to review the assessment at any time, but will no longer be able to make changes to the assessment.